our video vlog. So we're at the Toys R Us.
Yeah. Get them. I'm the one who orchestrated the bliss.
First one's canceled, right? Right here.
December to mid-April.
I'm gonna trick Jared and Lance into thinking that I really got my dream car. This is about to be the best prank ever. Stay tuned. Me and Brie got some stuff up our sleeve. Right, sis? So, we're pranking Jared and Lance, thinking that my dad got me a Camaro. Basically, the scenario went like my dad took me to a rental place by his job, and I thought I was getting a rental when in reality it turned out to be my dream car. No, not right now. 2020, that'll all happen, but right now, no. So we finna prank y'all. Listen, we got the rental right here. Got the Camaro. You think that it's my car when in reality it is a rental. We got Brie on. Shout you out.
Hey,
for YouTube. All right.
YouTube. Follow my nail page. Touch by Rose. But no,
Boo.
for real, we also about to get on the road to head to ATL.
ATL. So this is like an ATL vlog / prank. Love y'all.
She's a stripper, naked dancer, but she begging me to wife. When the first time I met my mama, she was a one night. Hell no, I don't love nothing but my money and my ring.
We got Brie driving. And god dang on, it drive pretty. How it drive, Brie?
It did drive smooth. We should have did the like the add-on driver.
What's that?
So we could both drive, but damn, like that bill was adding up too quick. Like
I drive safe. I drive really safe. Really.
Yep,
this one on the other hand,
I'm about to have us in Georgia in about an hour.
Another hour. We in South Carolina right now.
No, we're not. We're still in North Carolina. We won't. It says that we won't get there until 8:05, but we're gonna try to get there
7:30. 7:40.
Yeah. That sounds good. So that's the plan. We're not gonna really stop no more unless we absolutely have to.
They got all
the water side right there. We just looking out for police.
That's all. I'm the passenger. I'm up, so I'm gonna be looking for them.
They seem to be a little hot today, but we was running so behind this morning.
We were supposed to get this car at like
7 to 8 o'clock. So we was gonna wake up at like 7 o'clock, go to the airport, get the car. But we were out. Like I did her nails last night. Yesterday it was just so much. It was a lot going on yesterday.
There's so much going on. It didn't go as planned. But I mean, hey, we're making the best of it. When we get there, we're gonna be lit.
Exactly.
So stay tuned,
and we'll see y'all there.
Boom. Yeah, get me up for the one time, sis. Wow. So we just pulled up to the embassy.
Just pulled up.
We're here. We made it. With the drop top. Oh, hold on. Oh, no. Stay tuned, y'all. We got more to come.
It's just me, it's what I want. So how do we get here? 3 weeks now we've been so caught up. Better if we do this on our own.
Before I love you, na na na, gonna leave you, na na na. Before I'm someone you leave behind, I'll break your heart so you don't break mine. Before I love you, na na na.
You're gonna remember this day. One day you're gonna remember this. And you're gonna look back and you're gonna laugh. That's what life is about.
I'm gonna leave you, na na na. Even if I'm not here to stay, I still want your heart.
Your heart for takeaway, yeah. Your heart for takeaway, yeah.
Y'all, I'm so scared of elevators. And she got me, oh no. Oh no.
Your heart for takeaway.
Yo.
I got you.
Oh, good. Oh,
No
my
problem.
man John in the way.
In the building, man.
In the building, man.
Done it 3 times,
You
man.
deal what I'm saying? So we're leaving the place now. We have our heels on, me and Bree. We're about to go to this fancy restaurant and eat. Now we all dressed up and we about to hop in our Camaro.
Girl, close your eyes. Let that rhythm get into you. Don't try to find.
The Marriott over there. Oh, I see it. That shit is big as fuck.
Yo, last night was crazy. Bro, you see how we look? It's real. But we're gonna have to drop top down today because it's sunny. I don't know if y'all can see that. So we're about to go eat breakfast though right now. So y'all stay tuned. Gonna go get this show on the road, baby. Oh. Now we gotta get the plate. Oh, thank you, bro.
You want eggs?
Steak.
Yeah.
Miento si te digo que en ti no ando pensando. Quisiera saber lo que estás haciendo. Te llamo pero me sale ocupado. Oh.
Tú me robaste el corazón como un criminal. Bebé, yo no puedo negar esto que siento por ti, no puedes.
You know, we got our breakfast. You know, bam, bam. Toast up, Bree. Cheers to a new day.
Cheers to a new day.
To pay and jump. I don't know, but it's real nice. Thing with Bree. Thanks.
Criminal, qué criminal. Tu estilo, tu flow, baby, muy criminal.
So pretty. since you like Coca-Cola so much, they made a thing for you and Papa. World of Coca-Cola. Would you look at that?
Man, we 150 deep, you already know. Ain't no shit though. I'm rolling, 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 I'm rolling. 6 million ways to die, choose one.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. Name is Sticky M, I'm in a sticky Benz. That beat is candy apple red, I'm Barbie, this is Ken. That is a Fendi fact, I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made, Donatella sent me that. Feel up, baby, feel on me.
Hey y'all, in our video vlog. So we're at the Toys R Us.
Twins. We're at the Toys R Us event, and we're about to go on a zip line. Yeah, hold my shoes.
Move like a snake, snake. Move like a 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 snake. Move like a.
From your parents, and I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could work this out on the terrace. I don't know if it's fair, but I thought, how could I let you fall by yourself? Well, I'm wasted for some. We go down together. They'll say you could do anything.
God dang on another part 2. We just doing the thing. Woke up, Bree said I was snoring. So y'all, we're leaving the A. We are leaving the A. It's been real.